Welcome everyone, Sandy. Gonna do a blowout painting. Yesterday's video was pretty good, 16 by 20 size, and it's drying right now, so I can't even show you because I don't want to ruin it. But next video I'll show you what it looks like dry. But I really like doing the blowout, so I'm gonna be doing one just by pouring some color on and then blowing it out. It'll be a real quick video. First I'm going to start out with I'm going to torch my white. Sorry, I have white down on my 10 by 20 canvas. Get the few bubbles out that I see, not too many. It's a smaller canvas, so it won't take as long. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to first start with my mint green. And I'm just going to go in a little bit of a pattern here of craziness. I'm going to do my peacock pearl in the metallic. And I'm just going to go right on beside that green, the mint green, a little farther up. And then I'm also going to be doing my metallic amethyst. I think these colors go really good together. I'm on this side of the peacock metallic. There we go. And then this color is really close to deep turquoise. It's a little bit darker. I think I'm going to go right here on this side. All right. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more white to flood it along the side. There's lots of white on here though. I made sure I put lots on so I have lots to blow out. Alright, then I'm going to make some noise with my blow dryer. Let's see how this one turns out. Okay, we're just going to let that sit for a couple seconds. And then I'm going to blow it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Gorgeous, but I should have added more purple. So I'm going to do that right now because it's definitely popping up. See how it's starting to pop up darker? I need to get a little bit more of that purple happening in here. So I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add it here. And then I'm going to add a little bit more white just to help it where I added that purple. Let's see if we can get some more purple happening. Yes. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to give it a torch. I just filled up my torch, so I think it's got a couple air bubbles in there. Just doing a little spitter spatter. Alright. So really cool cells happening through here and in here. I think I want to blow a little bit here on the corner. That looks really neat. So I'm going to take my straw. One of my hairs was in there. There we go. It looks so pretty. Just moving a little bit of the purple blob that I saw there. Okay, one little quick torch and I think we're going to call this one done. Very pretty colors.